Alright, this is Alex Real Fan Redneck with this Keurig coffee maker here. You know, we're going to destroy this coffee maker. It's a Keurig Mr Coffee machine. We bought it in 2012 and used it until 2016 until it stopped working, and we are going to destroy it. This video was inspired by Son K's destruction videos. I'll leave a link to his channel below in the description. Let's... Alright, this is a tough little thing. This is a tough little thing, but can it beat an axe? This thing is tough, so let's see if it can beat the axe. Ooh, soup. Oh my gosh. Next, it opened up. Well, soup. Looks like we gotta hit it again. We gotta hit it again one more time. Oh yeah! Oh nice. There's all the inner workings of it. Destroy this thing. Alright, let's take another hit for this thing. Let's take a good look at the inside of this thing. Ooh. Alright. So in here is the heat element. The whole... I guess that's the pump for it. Actually, the heat element's at the bottom of it. Destroying this old coffee maker. When this thing stops working, trust me, I would never do this to a good coffee maker. Only a piece of crap that needs destroying. Nice. I guess we found the other motor that pumps the coffee. That was nice. Let's do some more. Destroy the housing. Stuck to the axe. Oh yeah. Well, that was a good video. Oh wait. Destroy the nozzle. That was pretty awesome. Ah, pieces of coffee maker going all around. There's the dumpster over there. Thank you guys for watching so much. This is my first destruction video. Let's see if we can get it to 20 likes. And heck, maybe when it gets to 20 likes, I'll continue doing destruction videos. If it gets to 10 likes, the next destruction video will be made. But yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Alex Real Fan Redneck, out.